creative community, I am Mugsy, and this video is January's Dice Deal Challenge hosted by Cali Black. I'll put her link below. Cali rolls a pair of dice, and the coordinating amount of art prompt cards are used to create a journal page. This journal page turned out to have a lot of the feelies for me today. I've had a friend on my mind as of late who is going through something, and I'm sending some strong healing vibes your direction, friend. You're gonna be fine. First prompt is to use a color you typically do not use. I'm using a paint I typically do not use because this is the old washable gold paint that was my mom's before she retired from teaching. Hi Mom, Hi Macleod. That's her pup. This paint is close to 20 years old now, and I'm still okay to work with it. Second prompt is to write something with my non-dominant hand. I've written the lyrics to Bob Marley's Everything's Gonna Be Alright. Prompt 3 is to drip or spray paint. Again, I had some old paint I had mixed up with some water and used. Prompt 4, 5, and 6 I did all together. I drew a hand for prompt number 5, used watercolors on it for prompt 4, and for prompt 6, doodled or drew random shapes to add more to the background. I really enjoyed doing Cali Black's Dice and Deal challenges. It has prompted me to do types of art I would never have tried. Thanks, Cali. And thank you, creative community, for your support and friendlies. Say hello to someone down there in chat, like, hey friend, you like art? I bet you they do. Find others who are into creating something new just like you. Already my channel, because of you all, has taken a step towards our ultimate goal. World peace. It's achievable. I would love to see what you create. What creative things have you all been up to as late? Leave a comment below, say hello, introduce yourselves, and join me on my social media links. Now go create something for the greater good. The greater